So for your warm-up drawing number 2, I'm going to teach you how to draw a paintbrush. As I've been thinking about your warm-ups, I'm always thinking about what would be useful to my students that I could teach them to draw in under 10 minutes or so. So a paintbrush comes up a lot in our visual journals, especially when we're doing visual journaling pages about artists. It's a symbol that we can use to represent that somebody was a painter. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the paintbrush handle. And for whatever reason, I always tend to start with the handle of the brush, and I also like to kind of put it on a diagonal. So we are going to draw a slightly curved line, and we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So I like to round my brush handle. It's just the style I like to draw paintbrushes. It's kind of just what my go-to is. And then I'm going to connect these two lines just by simply curving them together. Okay, you'll notice that I'm sketching lightly so that if I make a mistake or I want to adjust something, I can do that without leaving behind dark lines when I erase. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do a slightly curved line. So it's curving down towards my thumb here. Just gently curving it. And again, a parallel line. It's probably a little bit darker than I should have done it. Also just slightly curved. And I'm going to connect those two with a gentle curved line on the sides. Okay? From here, I am going to draw a diagonal line, and these two lines are going to come in towards each other. This is where the hairs of the brush, the bristles, are going to start. So we're going to curve this line here again, and then we're going to begin drawing the bristles for our brush. So I'm going to come out, do a curved line, and I'm going to swoop it up just a little bit. And then I'm going to do a curved line on this side. And bring it up to that swoop. Okay? I'm going to erase these lines here, which I don't need. Clean up these lines a little bit. And then to enhance the effect of it being a paintbrush, I'm just going to draw some paint on the bristles, okay? You could also go in and add a blob of paint underneath it if you wanted to. I'm just gonna curve that a little bit more. I didn't like that it got so pointed. And then you may want to put a drop or two, kind of like a little blob here or there, because paint's messy and it doesn't always stay exactly where we want it. And then of course, if we were adding color, we would choose the color we want for our paint. We'll clean up these lines and we'll be all done. Very quick, fast warm-up drawing today, guys. So I want you to see that I do have to go back in and erase and adjust things just like you do. So the first line I put down isn't always the line that stays. Okay? And you can always go back in and darken it up once you're done. There you have it, just a tiny little paintbrush.